Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable use contact info to automatically fill out web forms in Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, in the Safari setting page, scroll down to the General section and then tap on Autofill. Then tap on Use Contact Info. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When this is turned on, you can automatically fill out web forms using contact or credit card info. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.